Hello everyone, welcome to proving the solution given this exponential equation, which is 3 to power a plus 3 to power a plus 3 to power a. This is equal to 72. So what is the value of a? So solution here, we have that 3 to power a plus 3 to power a plus 3 to power a, this is equal to 72. So 3 to power a here is common. We factor out this 3 to power a. So 3 to power a divided by 3 to power a, this is 1. Plus 3 to power a divided by 3 to power, this is 1, plus 1, this is equal to 72. So here we'll have 3 to power a multiplied by 3, this is equal to 72. We divide both signs by 3, so that now here we'll have 3 to power a, this is equal to 72 divided by 3, this is basically equal to 24. So we'll have 24. Now, from what we have here, we find that 3 to power a, this is equal to 24. So for the value of a, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. We'll have log 3 to power a, this is equal to log 24. Now, log 3 to power a, this is actually in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now, applying this power rule property, you find that log 3 to power a becomes a log 3, this is equal to log 24. So let's divide both signs by log 3, so that now the value of a here is equal to log 24 divided by log 3. So let us express 24 basically as 8 multiplied by 3. And this means that we can express 8 as 2 to power 3. Okay, so 24 can be expressed as 2 to power 3 times 3. So substituting this means that we'll have a is equal to log 2 to power 3 multiplied by 3 divided by log 3. And you find that log 2 to power 3 times 3, this is actually in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this property, we find that a is equal to log 2 to power 3 divided by log 3 plus log 3 divided by log 3. So log 2 to power 3, applying the power rule property, this property, you find that this becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 3, and log 3 simplifies, so this is plus 1. So we can write this as a is equal to 1 plus, now log 2 divided by log 3, this is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So applying this property, we find that the value of a is equal to 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3. So this is the value of a. So let's verify that this value of a actually satisfies the equation. So let's verify this. Now let's verify that a, which is 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end that 3 to power a plus 3 to power a plus 3 to power a, this should give us a value of 72. Okay, so we simplify this further to, now this is 3 to power a multiplied by 3, this is equal to 72. So we simplify this to 3 to power a, this is equal to 24. So from here, let's substitute the value of a, so that we'll have 3 to power a, which is 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3. Actually, this should give us a value of 24. Now you find that 3 to power 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3, this is in the form of 8 to the power n plus m, which we can transform as 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m. So applying this exponent property, you find that this is 3 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 3 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 24. Now, we have that 3 to the power 3 log 2 to base 3. This is the same thing as 3 to the power log 2 to the power 3 to base 3. Now, this is a power, all right? So, that's why you have 2 to the power 3, okay? So, since this is a power. So, actually, this is in the form of m to the power log a to base m, which actually is equal to a, okay? So we are saying that 3 log 2 to the power 3 to base 3 is in this form, okay? So that means that 3 to the power log 2 cubed to base 3, this is basically equal to 2 to the power 3, okay? Now, essentially here, we have that 3 to the power 1, that is 3, times 3 to the power log 2 cubed to base 3, which is 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 3. This should give us a value of 24. Okay? Now, it's true that 2 to the power 3, now 2 to the power 3 here, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. So this is 8. So we'll have 3 times 8, this is equal to 24. So 8 is equal to 8. So that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that basically affirms that the value of a, which is 1 plus 3 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe so that you can get notified when I upload new videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.